Igbo language and Ukwuani language are similar, but they are not the same. Igbo language and Ika language are similar, but they are not the same. Igbo language and Oshimiri and Nyocha are similar, but they are not the same. Igbo language and Oshimiri and Anyocha language are similar, but they are not the same. Igbo language and Ikwere Oba Ekwe language are similar, but they are not the same. This is what so many of our brothers from Ukwuani, Ika, Oshimiri, Anyocha, Ikwere Oba, and Ekwe are saying, which is false and misleading. In Igbo language, bia is come. If in Ukwuani language they have a word called bia, but in Ukwuani language that word called bia does not mean come, it means food. Then we can say that Igbo language and Ukwuani language have similarities, but they are not the same. If in Igbo language Ogagbe means mirror, but in Ukwuani language Ogagbe means ground, then they have the same words, but they don't have the same meaning. In Japan now, there are so many words there that we also use in Igbo land here. You will see Japanese names like Azoka, Izuka, names like that. In Igbo language, we bear the name Azoka, Izuka, but the meaning of these names in Igbo land is not the same with those in Japan. They don't have the same meaning, and with that we can say that these two languages are similar, but they are not the same. Similar here means we share the same words, but those words don't have the same meaning in our languages. There is a tribe in Kenya called Luo, L-U-O. There are words in Igbo land that we use that they also use in that Luo tribe. Those words have the same spelling and pronunciation, but the meaning of those words in Igbo language and in Luo are not the same. By that we can say they are similar, but they are not the same. Now, in Igbo language, come is bia. In Ukwuani language, come is bia. In Igbo language, ni is food. In Ukwuani language, ni is food. In Igbo language, ana is ground. In Ukwuani language, ane is ground. In Igbo language, onwu is death. In Ukwuani language, onwu is death. In Igbo language, enu is sky. In Ukwuani language, enu is sky. In Igbo language, nnono is bed. In Ukwuani language, nnono is bed. The same words in Igbo language is the same words in Ukwuani language. Those words means the same thing. The same way it is in Ukwuani, that the same way it is in Ika, Oshimiri, Anyocha, Ikwere, Oba, and Ekwe, and so on. Some people are just speaking English, but they don't know the meaning of that English that they are speaking. Imagine saying that Ukwuani language and Igbo language are similar, but they are not the same. Some of them don't know the difference between language and dialect. When I say Igbo language and Ukwuani language, both of them are the same thing. We are just using it as an example to correct those our brothers that are saying Igbo language and Ukwuani language are similar, but they are not the same. I have given an example to prove to our people that there is nothing similar between Igbo language and Ukwuani language. They are not similar. Both of them are Igbo language. Some Ukwuani people will tell you, we Ukwuani people, we are not Igbo people. What we call young lady in Ukwuani is Mboto. It's not Nwabogo. What we call cloth is not Aqua, but Awu. What we call lion is not Odom, but Odume. What we call children is not Omuaze, but Igoshi. All these words are the reasons why some of our Ukwuani people are saying that Igbo language is different from Ukwuani language. Those words are dialects. That is why Igbo land is called Igbo nation. In a nation, there are so many dialects. We are called Igbo nation because we speak the same language with different dialects. The way Nsukka people speak is not the way Onitsha people speak, but they understand each other. An Onitsha person cannot speak like an Nsukka person. E get wetin Nsukka person go talk, Onitsha person go tell am, make me understand that thing when you talk. I no understand am well. Wetin that word mean? That is dialect. If I speak Ukwuani now, give someone from Enugu, the person go dey understand. E get the one wey go speak, he go say, this thing wey you talk, wetin e mean? Explain better, let me understand. That is dialect. But if to say I dey speak all the things wey I talk, you no hear, then it's a different language. Our people should understand the difference between language and dialect. Ukwuani is Igbo language. You go see some professors from Ukwuani language come out, they talk say Ukwuani and Igbo language not be the same language. They are similar, but they are not the same. We will not reach all those degrees where those professors reach. Now we can't dey here. They explain to them wetin they supposed to explain to our people for Ukwuani land. It's very shameful. In the Ikwere, what they call the supreme being is Chukwu. What they call ground is Ale. What they call water is Mmiri. And someone will be saying that Ikwere language and Igbo language are similar, but they are not the same. How? If there are words in Ukwuani dialects that you cannot find in the dialects of other Igbo speaking regions, that is enough reason for you to know that Ukwuani language is a dialect of Igbo language. There are words that they use in Ika land that are not used in Ukwuani land. There are words that are used in Onitsha that are not used in Abreba. The way Abreba people speak is not the way Ikwere people speak. It's not the way Olo people speak. If you go easy, Abakaleke, Afikpo, the way they speak is not the way we speak in Ukwuani. But if we they speak, they hear. If they speak, we they hear. That thing where we they hear, waiting that they call them na Igbo language. Every Bia speaking people in Nigeria are one people. The Southeast are called Igbo, even with their separate dialects. All of them not they speak the same tongue, but that they speak the same language, that they talk the same thing. Ukwuani people go tell you say, Ika people na their brothers, because they understand the Ika people dialect and the Ika people they understand their own. Now, if Ika people are located in the Southeast, will those set of Ukwuani people tell you that Ika people are their brothers? No. It shows that the people you refer to as your brothers are those people that you and them are located in the same states. What a shame. Ika people will be telling you that Ukwuani people are their brothers because they understand each other's dialects. If Ukwuani people are located in the Southeast, will those Ika people say that Ukwuani people are their brothers? No. They only see people that all of them are in the same state as their brothers. Person where they reason like this, not they go far in life. And this thing don't affect Ika people. So their Ika brothers where they are those states, they not even care for their Ika brothers where they are those states because they believe say now only we where they this Delta North be one people. If to say these people love themselves beyond boundary, they go they fight for Ibanke people where they are those states today. It's very bad to be seeing only those people that you and them are in the same states as brothers, and you know they see the ones where they are across on our boundary as brothers. This is why I'm saying that the unity in this Anioma land is fake. Anioma people don't love themselves, because if to say them truly love themselves, they go love our Southeast brothers. If you be from Anioma and you thought say we Anioma people and Southeast not be brothers, if you see me, not they call me your brother, I not be your brother. Because if to say the Southeast, you not go call me your brother. I hate fake love. You be Ukwuani person, you see me Ogume person, you say Ukwuani bofu. You thought say all Ukwuani people are one, so Ogume people are your brother. If to say Ogume people are located in the Southeast, will you call us your brother? No, because you believe say those ones in the Southeast are not your brothers. And for that, you are proving to us that the unity in Ukwuani land is fake. You people should learn what unity means. You no go dey unite only those ones where they around you. They deny the ones where they far from you. If to say you get Ukwuani speaking people for Kogi State, are you now going to say that you are not brother with them because they are located in another state? Some of you don't know the difference between language and dialect. That's why you people are everywhere online saying that the language of our Igbo brothers is similar to yours, but they are different language entirely. You don't know the meaning of the word similarity. You don't know the meaning of the word language and dialect. It's very bad. Some of the people they talk all these things now graduates. What you can show say when they go school, you don't know the meaning of the word similar. As you hear that word similar, Google is your friend. Google this thing, know the difference. If Igbo language and Ukwuani language is similar, but they are not the same, why is it that in Ukwuani land, all the time when they play Umo Bilibo song, when they play Osadebe song, they are not Ukwuani songs, but you understand them. In Ukwuani land, we don't play Bini songs. We don't play Igala songs. If we play high life song, now the high life songs of our Igbo brothers from the southeast. Those Igbo people saying that Igbo language and their dialect is similar, but they are not the same. Make una the reason fine. Make una the reason. Stop coming online to say rubbish. You are saying that Ukwuani language and Igbo language is similar, but the federal government they call on Igbo. They see you people as Igbo. Are you now telling us that you are more wise and intelligent than the federal government of Nigeria? Federal government will talk say Kaduna Zogu na Igbo. Are you people trying to tell us that federal government don't have sense for calling Kaduna Zogu Igbo? Are you people now telling us that federal government that are calling Ukwuani people Igbo, they don't have sense, Abi? Anything where you know for this Nigeria where you think say federal government no know, that means you just dey start. You are saying that you are not Igbo. Urobo, Isoko, Ishekiri people, Yariba people, Northerners are telling you people that you people are Igbo people, that you are just denying it, wasting your time. That one alone supposed don't tell you say your language is Igbo language and not similar with Igbo language. Wait till I want make we tell una before una eye go open say we dey tell una facts. Any non-Igbo person for this country where they tell you say Igbo language and Ukwuani language are similar but they are not the same, that person is fighting Igbo unity. That person wants make we Ukwuani people dey separate from our southeast brothers for us to remain a minority like them. Some Yoruba people go tell you say Igbo people leave Ukwuani people alone. They said they are not Igbo. Stop forcing Igbo identity on them. You people are expansionists. This, that. They go they talk all sort of nonsense. Do you know why they are saying all those things? They are saying that Ukwuani people are not Igbo. Ika people are not Igbo. Oshimiri and Anyocha people are not Igbo. So that these three Igbo regions in Delta North will stay separate. So that they, Urobo people, will remain the majority. This thing is psychology. Know all these things. No style where anybody for this country won't bring where I don't know. Just talk the thing. I go tell you what's in your mind. If you say a Yoruba person saying that Ukwuani people are not Igbo people, Ika are not Igbo, Oshimi and Anyocha are not Igbo, he is using that word to separate them. And with that division when they create now, he is making Urobo the majority in Delta states. But if Ukwuani, Oshimiri, Anyocha, and the Ika people come together, we are a majority in Delta states. Look at the map between we, the Igbos in Delta states, and that of Urobo people. We plenty past them for land mass. We plenty past them for population. So now, if Ukwuani people they don't say they don't be Igbo people, our population don't reduce because they don't separate us from our Ika brothers. They don't separate us from our Oshimi and Anyocha brothers. We go just identify as Ukwuani alone. Ika people go identify as Ika people alone. Oshimi and Anyocha go identify as Oshimi and Anyocha alone. And with that, we are now a minority. Our economic strength for this Delta North have been weakened. And that is why we Anioma people are expected to embrace each other. Let's embrace our Igbo identity. That name Anioma now hold we Anioma people together as a single unit. If you go Anambra State, there are different Igbo regions there with different dialects. Those regions get name where they know them. But they came together to coexist and to move ahead. But for this Anioma land we dey now, you go see some Ukwuani people go tell you say they not be brothers with Ika people. You go see some Oshimi and Anota, they go tell you say they not be brothers with Ika people and Ukwuani people. Let's stop all this division. Let's stop all this. Now only those people where they for Delta not be my brothers. Our Southeast brothers are our brothers. As I dey so, person not go tell me who be my brother, who not be my brother, because with my sense I know who be my brother. Igbo language and Ukwuani language are not similar. They are the same language, just different dialects. That name Ukwuani held every Ukwuani speaking people together. We don't have the same ancestry, but now that name hold us together. If we start to talk, say we not get the same ancestry, say there's nothing like Ukwuani, Abiogume person, make everybody day in day. How will you people feel? You people love the unity in Ukwuani land. Why are you people saying that you people are not Igbo? Knowing fully well that everyone that are speaking Bia language in this Nigeria are called Igbo people. Why would I not want using a sense to know say this is where we belong? Who be that professor from Ukwuani land? Come out, let's debate. Make you tell me how Ukwuani language stay dey similar with Igbo language, but they are not the same. Make you tell me how Ukwuani language is different from Igbo language. Make you prove and to me say Ukwuani language not be Igbo language. They call themselves professors, but they don't get common sense. You get certificate, you not get sense. It's very shameful. Those are our Anioma brothers that are saying that Anioma language is similar with Igbo, but it's not Igbo. Make una dey cover una face in shame. It's very shameful. You just dey disgrace yourself online. But as we dey talk this thing now, you go be like say we dey insult una. No be insult. Oh, kodelo no ma. Ukwuani people, make una wake up. No be everything they go tell una for una to know where una belong. Know where you belong in this country. If you like, hold Yoruba people like this, they go dey push you, say go join your Igbo brother. That is where you belong. The whole Yoruba people, they go dey push you. The whole Ijaw people, they go dey push you. And that's because you are not one of them. You are separate from them. Know where you belong. Let's get this Anioma state and zone it to the southeast. For we Ukwuani people to coexist with our kind, let's coexist with our Igbo brothers in the southeast. All this rejection not get head. Rejecting your brother, this person not be my brother. Now only we Ukwuani people dey, we are on our own. You dey do like chameleon. They come out your body from where you supposed dey. Igbo people not be my brother. Rivers separate us. They be Igbo people. We be Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people, wake up. We want Anioma states, and we want that Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast. The slot for a state to be created is meant for the southeast, not for the south-south. The southeast have given us that slot to get Anioma state and join them. Person wey get sense for Ukwuani land, person wey get sense for Ika land, person wey get sense for Oshimiri and Danyocha land go accept that offer, make we get Anioma state join southeast. But instead, some of our people for Anioma, they don't say, we don't want to join southeast, we want to remain in south-south. We are south-south people, we are Niger Delta people. People wey not know say south-south is just a name used to divide a people. Because if to say that name south-south not divide us, you no go see Igbo speaking person for south-south they talk say he not be Igbo person. Niger Delta means oil producing states. Imo state na Niger Delta, Abia state na Niger Delta. If we get this Anioma state now join southeast, Anioma state is Niger Delta. The only thing be say we don't come out from south-south join our southeast brothers. How una want make we tell una this thing, make una brain understand wetin we dey talk. Ukwuani language is not similar with Igbo language. Ukwuani language is Igbo language. Bia language is called Igbo language. Anioma people, wake up. We are Igbo people. Our language is Igbo. Ishiegwale.